Welcome. In front of me I have Canon EOS 1300D, and today I will show you how we can create a new folder. So at the first, tap menu button, then go with AF button on the right, and as you can see here we can select the folder. So click here, and here we got our currently folder where we have the 5 photos, but we can create a new one. So click here, we can create folder 101, so click OK, and it's just the same folder. Sorry guys, it's different. The first one is 100 and the second is 101, and here we can take the photo, and of course we can select the folder. So it's very simple. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.